Hello friends, in this video I will discuss about respiration. Just have a look here. Here we have TION, sun. This means this is a process. This is a type of work. So the question is that this is which type of work? So it's a work of taking in of fresh air. It's a work of taking in of fresh air in the form of oxygen and taking out of foul air, that is CO2. This we call it breathing. Plus release of energy during this process. This combinedly we call respiration. I mean to say that respiration involves breathing plus release of energy from it as well. Okay. So in a sequential manner we can write here that food plus O2 goes to CO2 plus H2O plus energy. So it's a reaction of respiration. It involves intake of oxygen and liberation of CO2 as well as release of energy during the reaction. Hope you are understanding. So this respiration can be studied under two broad headings. The first, I can say it's an intake of oxygen, that is inspiration, and taking out of foul air, dirty air, which is called as expiration. So we'll try to understand what happens during inspiration and expiration as well. Okay. So let me clear you that our whole body part can be further classified into two subcategories, which we call it thoracic cavity and the second one is abdominal cavity. And the septum is divide this two cavity, that is named as diaphragm. This diaphragm divide our whole body into two unequal parts and the dividing septum is called diaphragm. Clear? So from figure let me make you clear. Suppose it's a whole human body cavity. It can be further classified into two subcategories and the septum is divide this whole body into two subcategories is diaphragm. And above diaphragm, this we have chest cavity, or we can say thoracic cavity, and just below diaphragm we have abdominal cavity. So a question here must now knock a mind of the student that our leg or our scrotal sac is present in abdominal cavity or it is in thoracic cavity. So I want to make you clear here that our scrotal sac or leg is just outside of the abdominal cavity. It's not the part of abdominal cavity. Hope you understand. So I'm going to draw the whole chest cavity, how it actually look. It's a structure of neck. Here we have neck, and just beneath of the neck at the lateral side, I can say here, we have a bone that we call it clavicle. And at the anterior most region, we have a bone which is strong, and this bone is called sternum, that is sternum. Okay. And ribs rises from this sternum and it join the backmost region, I would say the dorsal